as far as I am concerned, trusting Trump or indeed Americans is like trusting Dracula to restrain himself at a blood donation camp. Hypocrisy runs not only in their veins but also pipelines. Even as the EU continues to buy 3 million tons of Russian iron and nickel, 18 million tons of Russian LNG, and 8 million tons of Russian oil, the USA continues to buy 3.5 million tons of Russian fertilizers, 435 tons of Russian uranium, and 1.1 million tons of Russian oil refined by India. They want to punish India for buying oil from Russia. And these are the very same people, Rahul, who were a couple of years ago forcing India to buy Russian oil so as to stabilize the world oil prices. Then they didn't care about people being killed in Ukraine because they wanted to stabilize oil prices for themselves. And as for those Western hypocrites who were there on your show yesterday night, I saw, who say, we are only buying a fraction of the Russian oil of what India is. Well, this is again to Bill Gates saying, I only went to the Epstein Island twice, whereas Bill Clinton went 20 times. Look, India has saved 2.21 lakh crores or $26.35 billion in the last 3 years through buying Russian oil instead of Saudi oil. Had it not, our inflation would have increased cumulatively by 1.47% over what it has been last 3 years. Let Trump write us a check for $26 billion and we'll stop buying Russian oil. As I said, the hypocrisy is astonishing.
How much is the oil price advantage been given to the regular Indian consumer who's watching your program? Did the benefit go to the Indian users?
This is the schoolboy stuff economics that even laymen like me scoff at. Because the fact is, whatever money is saved is going into the kitty that is paying for the billions of dollars of subsidies.
I'm glad you mentioned that point. Bhandari to also respond.
Your education, Sanjay. Point number 2. How do we deal with Trump? Well, how do you deal with a bully? Either you ignore him, which riles him no end, or you out-bully him. India can no longer, I'm afraid, use the first option, but it can definitely employ the second. But for that, we need to fall on this guy like a ton of bricks, pun intended. By bricks, I mean BRICS. All of whose constituent nations have been riled and antagonized by Trump. In fact, Brazil has suggested we move away from dollar completely. I like the fact that Prime Minister Modi is visiting China and Ajit Doval right now is in Russia. A message needs to be given and soon. This is the problem with Trump. Sooner or later, he will get found out.